Hey everyone, welcome to final episode of Quick Hub for Beginners. Can you believe it? We made it to episode 5 already. Now we are tackling one more important aspect using Quick Hub on the go. Because as a business owner or a marketer, you are not always sitting at your desk, right? You might be in meetings, running errands, or maybe finally taking a day off. You can carry your marketing command center in your pocket. QuickHub has a mobile app for both iPhone and Android. If you haven't already, go on App Store or Google Play and download QuickHub Automate Marketing. It's free and quick to install. Once you have it, log in with the same account you've been using on desktop. Let's go through a few things you can do with the QuickHub mobile app to give you an idea of how to make it your life easier. Tap on the campaign sections. You can see any campaigns you've sent or scheduled, see the open rates, and click ratings updates live. It's really cool to watch. Even when you're on the go, if something looks off, you could even pause a campaign from the app, but usually it's more about monitoring and maybe sharing the excitement. Schedule or post content, social content. Let's say you snap a great photo while you're out, maybe your cafe's new latte art or a happy customer at your store. You can use the QuickHub app to post your social media right away. Choose the photo, write a caption, and you can publish it to your linked accounts with one tap or schedule it for later, all from your phone. This is awesome because inspiration can strike anywhere and you don't have to wait to get back to your computer. QuickHub also has that AI content feature on your mobile too, so you don't have to generate a quick eye-catching graphic if needed. Though keep it simple when mobile. Check and add contacts. Networking on the go. If you meet someone and they want to join your mailing list, or you got a new business card, you can add that person into QuickHub's immediate through the app, the way they are safely in your CRM. You can also look up any contacts details on your phone if you need to quickly recall their info or log an interaction after a meeting. The big takeaway here is flexibility. QuickHub's mobile app ensures that all the work you did to set up the campaigns and automations doesn't tie you down. You can trust the things to run and you can check it in or intervene from anywhere. It's like having a remote control for your marketing. Here's where we are at the end of our Quick Hubs for Beginner series. That's a ton of progress. If you followed along, you've basically built a mini marketing machine for your business. Give yourself a pat on the back and seriously, applaud lightly. Seriously, many people buy tools and never use half of the feature. You're now ahead of the game. Thank you so much for joining me through the series. I truly hope you find it helpful and feel empowered to use QuickHub to its fullest. Remember, the goal of all of this technology is to make your life easier and your marketing more effective. Now, at the end of the day, it's about connecting your customers. QuickHub just gives you a simpler way to do and maybe saves you some late nights and headaches in the process. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share the series with anyone else who might benefit. Maybe a fellow small business owner or a colleague in marketing. We might do more advanced QuickHub tutorials in the future, so stay tuned. And as always, if you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any features, drop a comment or check out QuickHub's Help Center. That's a full community of users out there too, and you are now one of them. Keep up the good work, and I wish you a lot of success in your marketing